Forming a cloud hosting LLC can seem like a mountain of tasks, but it doesn't have to be. Let's break it down into simple steps that anyone can tackle. First things first, you need a great name, a name that gives a hint of your brand and is memorable. Check that the name isn't already taken in your state and make sure it ends with LLC. This tells everyone that you're a limited liability company. Now, you'll need to file some paperwork. This is where legalregistration.com comes in handy. We're the #1 online incorporation service provider for help with all your filing needs. We'll make sure you don't miss anything important. Before you dive into operations, take a moment to define your niche in the cloud hosting industry. Are you focusing on small businesses, developers, or enterprise-level clients? Knowing your target audience helps you tailor your services, pricing, and marketing strategy to stand out in a crowded market. Next, it's time to create an operating agreement. Think of this as the rule book for your LLC. It outlines how your business will run, who's responsible for what, and how profits and losses are handled. Even if it's not required by your state, it's a smart move to have one. Once you have your operating agreement, you'll need to get an EIN from the IRS. This is basically a social security number for your business. With this, you can open a bank account in your LLC's name, hire employees, and manage taxes like a pro. Don't forget to apply for any necessary licenses or permits for your cloud hosting business. This can vary depending on where you're located, so do some homework on local requirements. Also, think about your cybersecurity and data compliance measures early on. As a cloud hosting provider, protecting client data isn't just important, it's essential. Investing in strong security protocols and compliance certifications will build trust and set your business apart from competitors. And of course, never underestimate the power of good branding. From your website design to your logo and tagline, every detail should reflect professionalism and reliability, key traits clients look for in a cloud hosting provider. Of course, there's the matter of keeping your LLC in good standing. This usually means filing an annual report and paying any associated fees. But don't worry, legalregistration.com can guide you through it all. And that's it, a simple guide to forming your cloud hosting LLC. It's not as tough as it seems when you break it down step by step. So if you're ready to get started, visit legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111. Before you go, if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips on starting and running your business. Thanks for watching.